I am totally awesome.
What's up? Geez, girl, I thought you were going to break up with Derek. Yeah, I tried, but then he gave me this jacket, and now I don't know what to do. Honey, these things are never easy, but the longer you let it go on, the worse it's going to be. Okay, just promise yourself, the very next time you see Derek, you're going to break up with him. Okay. Okay, the very next time. Hey! Oh, hey, Derek. Look, Derek!
I am awesome.
Well, I was on my motorcycle, and then I passed that store that sells teddy bears. And I started thinking of you, because, well, you're my teddy bear. And then I was in someone's backyard.